To perform the glucose estimation by O-toluidine method. Principle: the O-toluidine reacts with the glucose to form glycosylamine, which then rearranges itself to form Schiff's base. The Schiff's base again undergoes the rearrangement to give a green color complex, the intensity of which is measured using a colorimeter red filter. Requirements: colorimeter, centrifuge, water bath at 100 degrees Celsius, autopipettes and O-toluidine reagent. For preparation of reagent only is needed in 100 ml, so we will be mixing 0.15 grams of thiourea, 6 ml of O-toluidine and 94 ml of glacial acetic acid. For the procedure, take 3 test tubes, label them as blank, standard and test, put the reagents in them as the given table suggests. So, as per the protocol, we have taken 3 test tubes and labeled them as blank, standard and test. After that, as per the table suggests, we will be taking 5 ml of the O-toluidine reagent and putting it into each of the test tubes. Next thing that we will need is the glucose standard. This glucose standard comes in the ready-made form in the market as well, and also you can prepare it in-house as well. So we will be taking 50 microliters of this glucose standard and will put it into the test tube labeled as standard. Next, we will be taking our serum sample and taking up 50 microliters of it with a autopipette and putting it into the test tube labeled as test. For the next step, we will be needing distilled water. We need to take 50 microliters of the distilled water and we need to put it into the test tube labeled as blank. After the preparation of the tubes, put them in a boiling water bath 100 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After that, cool the solution for some time and measure for the optical density. So, as far as the procedure has gone, now we will be taking the test tubes and putting it into the water bath at 100 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will take our test tubes out of the water bath and allow them to cool. After cooling, we will be measuring for the optical density of each of the test tubes one by one, first blank, then standard and then test. After colorimetry, the optical density of the tubes came out to be as under. The concentration of glucose in serum is measured by the following formula, in which the glucose concentration of the patient's serum came out to be 89 milligrams per deciliter. Interpretation: normal range for glucose is 70 to 110 milligrams per deciliter. The glucose observed in this test was 89 milligrams per deciliter, which was in the normal range. Thus, the patient was not having any abnormal glucose levels. Thank you for watching.